great day everyone. Today, I will show you different ways how you can create PDF files. We will be converting Microsoft Word files and JPEG picture files into PDF format. Let us first open our Microsoft Word. Then, create a new document and type all the information you want. You may also include or attach a picture in your Word file. In the menu bar, select File. Then, look for Export in the options on the left menu bar. Click the button Create PDF/XFX to proceed. Save the file to finish. Congratulations! You now have a PDF file of your document. Another option is by printing the Word document. In the menu bar, select File. Then, look for Print in the options on the left menu bar. Or simply press Ctrl P. Select in the drop-down list of printers, the Microsoft Print to PDF. You may click the printer properties or edit the details in the settings, below the printer drop-down list. Then click Print. A dialog box will appear to save your PDF file. Congratulations! You now have a PDF file of your document. There are a lot of available online tools that offers PDF conversion. In this video, we will be using the website ilovepdf.com. It caters a variety of PDF-related options that you can use. In this website, you may merge PDF files, split PDF, compress PDF, and convert PDF files to and from different file formats. Now, we will be converting JPEG pictures to PDF format. Select the JPEG to PDF option in the menu. Then, click the button Select JPEG Images to upload your picture. Or you can drag and drop the picture in the page. After uploading the image, you may adjust the orientation of the document. Select the page size. And choose the margin setting of the document. You may upload multiple JPEG images to create one PDF file. Then, click the Convert to PDF button. Congratulations! You may now download a copy of your created PDF file. Next, we are going to convert MS Word file to PDF format. Select the Word to PDF option in the menu. Then, follow the same procedure like what we did in the JPEG file to proceed. As easy as that, you now have your PDF file. Congratulations! You may now download a copy of your created PDF file.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. And hit the notification button to keep you updated of my future videos. Thank you.